how to add videos to a playlist on YouTube. Now this will work on both mobile and computer, and the first thing we need to do is just head over to the YouTube website and make sure you're signed in to a YouTube account. Now just go and select the video that you want to add to a playlist. I'll just be adding this video here, which is one of my own videos. You can then scroll down to these three horizontal dots and click on this. Click on Save. And if you've already created a playlist in the past, then you can go and select that playlist. If this is your first time creating a playlist, then select New Playlist. You can now go and give this playlist a name. I'm just going to call this CapCut, and then select the visibility of your playlist. So you can set this so only you can see your playlists, or you can make it public so other people can go and view your playlist as well. You can also choose to collaborate, and that means other people can go and add things into your playlist. I'm going to leave this turned off, and then click on Create. Now to actually go and see your playlist, click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side, click on Playlists, and here you'll be able to find all of your playlists. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.